Good evening time, everybody. Hope you all doing all right this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. We're working on this odd linear that I've never seen before, and it's interesting. Alrighty, guys. Real quick, we've got a Stryker 497HPC, fairly new radio. I sold it new. It's a friend of mine, 672, 6-pack. He brought it to me and said, it just won't come on no more. Just quit turning it on. I was like, what in the world? Anyway, that's fixed. The receive check on it. It's got receive. Just for curiosity. We'll look at it verbal with the key wide open. PP, worldwide, worldwide, worldwide. Hello, audio, about 100 peak. Average, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Not a whole lot. It's keying 20. I guess it's about 20 average. Hello? Yeah. The key's up too high. Turn it back a little bit. Hello? About 20 average. 1, 2, 1, 2. Not a very big average swinger. 100 PV, worldwide, in the corner. We just want to do a test for video. Should make sure it's working. Show y'all. Alrighty, guys. This right here might help you guys. If you've got one of these and you got it in your truck or whatever, and you turn it on one day and it don't come on, you're like, what in the world's wrong with it? I don't know if I'm right focus or not. Yeah. You're like, what in the world's wrong with it? It ain't coming on. Well, it was simple. It was just a switch right here. But I was going to show you this so you can do it yourself, fix it if you've got one of these doing that. It just wouldn't come on all at once, and I went checking everything, took it all apart, and I jumped the switch and it come on. But the biggest problem with doing this is you got to pull this faceplate off. Be really careful with all the wires and stuff, and don't pull nothing loose. Take your knobs off. Make sure you got the power disconnected. Don't shorten it out. I got this part right here. I thought I'd have to solder it on, but I didn't. It come with a new board. I got this from Stryker, and just went to their website and ordered it, and more or less just tore it apart, put it in there, and put it back together. I thought you guys might like to see that and know that is a thing, that sometimes you just go out, turn your radio on one day, don't come on, well, then switches go out. So this is from my buddy 6-pack and 10. He's a big skip talker. He's been in the middle of moving right now, bought in some land, gonna build a new house, so he ain't been on the base, but he's been on the mobile a lot. Of course, it's hard to talk skip on the mobile, especially on 28, when you got 10,000 people carrying big old steel boxes on beams. But we got you all fixed up, buddy. Just thought you guys might want to know how to do this. Like I said, you got to pull the knobs off, pull the faceplate off, pull the covers off. And you got to take this nut right here loose, pull this out. You don't even have to solder. They'll send you the board. It just plugs right in. Anybody can do it. Save yourself some money from paying a CB shop or whatever. So if you go out there one day and turn on your Stryker 497 HPC and don't come on, you might want to check that switch. Hope that helps you guys. 1, 2, 3, get on down. Is it ours power all the way down, just for curiosity? Hello, 1, 2, still swings. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. They're good old radios. Hello, come in. This one ain't cranked up real hard because he wanted it to be clear and clean and didn't want it to drive real hard. He's got a newer truck, and if you put a radio with a bunch of watts into it, it gives him trouble, so into his box. So anyway, there it is. We're on 2, 3. Get on down. Stryker 497 HPC. That's it, guys. You ever go out in your truck, turn the one on, it don't come on, take all this apart, try to jump in that switch. Let's see. I traced it down. It's these two. Let's see. These two right here, jump them together, and if it comes on, then you know it's the switch. When you jump them two together, maybe that'll help you too to diagnose it. If you jump them two together and it comes on, it's a switch. And you can go to Stryker's website and order that. Alright, guys, hope that helped you. That's about all I got for you on this video. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I'd I'd like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. It's donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube and Patreon channel members. Catch y'all later.